Hello, it's Jimmy here at O'Reilly's. So this video is just going to be having a look over the van and showing you what the problem is. I'm not going to take you through the whole process of the repair because I've done it too many times now on the channel. So this vehicle's come down from Birmingham and it's had the DPF cleaned a few times, and within a couple of days the DPF gets blocked again, and he doesn't know why, and he just wants the problem fixed so it doesn't keep returning. Okay, so inside the van here we got an engine service now light, we have engine management light on there. So I think most of my subscribers are gonna know here what the issue is already. Pretty sure I know what it is myself. Okay, so this is a 2014 Ford Transit. I'm gonna go to the diagnostics. Just gonna wait for that to load up. It's done 129,000 miles. Usually see the problem on these vans somewhere between 100 to 150,000. So we need to go to the PCM for this one. I will run a full scan in a minute just to make sure there's nothing else that I'm missing. But what's happening here is somebody is cleaning the DPF, of course, and it is working because it's lasting maybe a few days, 3 days, and the problem comes back. So their DPF clean is working, but they're not fixing the cause to why the DPF has blocked in the first place. And here we're going to find out why. Okay, we've got a glow plug open circuit, glow plug open circuit. Now on any normal car these will be a cause of your DPF not to regenerate, but with this being the Transit, the main cause here of a DPF regen failure is going to be this code here, P244C0028, exhaust temperature too low for the particle filter regeneration. Now the reason it gets too low is because it's got a vaporizer system that it uses to inject fuel into the DPF to heat it up in order for the soot to burn. Now that DPF vaporizer gets blocked with soot itself, and then it can't inject fuel anymore, so that's going to be the cause. But we'll confirm it anyway by taking it out and showing you how it's all done. And I've already put another one of these videos on a few days ago. So this code here relates to forced limited power. So it basically saying that the ECU of the car, of the van, has forced the power down. So it's put it into a limp mode, what do you call it? Particle filter soot accumulation, so the DPF blocked, and particle filter soot accumulation again, DPF blocked again. So let's go back from there, read the data stream. Have a look at the soot and the differential pressure. Don't know why this one does that. It doesn't give me all the items I ticked up. So you can see we've got 62 HPAs of pressure. Hold the revs up to 2500, 360. So that pressure is way too high. Let's go back to the soot again. (280%), 260% soot load. Okay, to fix that problem on this van, what I'm going to do is use a kit from Launch UK to clean the DPF, and then we're going to fix the cause of the DPF blocking, which is a new vaporizer system here. Get that fitted on. Okay, so the repair is now complete and the van is in good working order, and I'm going to show you here on my diagnostic. Don't know what's going on with my hair. So you can see there, after a test drive, we've got 300 degrees on the DPF and we have 7 HPAs of pressure, which is millibars exactly the same. And at 3000 RPM we have 65 millibars of pressure. Come out of the data stream. Now we can use the special functions to reset the calculations of the DPF. I'll go to the service functions, reset particle filter values. I'm going to show you what this does now in a minute. Successful. So now if we come back to the data stream, and I think I showed you how to start the soot loading. So when you reset the DPF adaptions, it resets these calculations, which will allow now the vehicle to work its own DPF, cleaning it itself. Got just a washer fluid error there come up. Engine management light's now gone, and you shouldn't have no more issues. So this was the old vaporizer that came out. If you see that little hole there should be a hole there, but it's filled up with hard carbon there, you can see. So that's it. That's one Transit with a new vaporizer again fitted, and I'll see you on one of the next videos.